Whoa, whoa, girl, what the world?
This is how I do it. The make come in.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So y'all, today I'm going to be allowing my daughter,
My name is Conviana.
yes, I'm gonna be allowing her to do a 2-strand twist in my hair, y'all. All right, you guys, so she's gonna be telling y'all what we're gonna be using. So
A hair clipper.
okay.
Khmer Rose Marsh the Milk.
Yes, you guys, so that's what we're gonna be using, these 2 products, and of course our fingers, because I already thoroughly detangled my hair in the shower. So let's get into it, y'all. All right, come on. So what is the first thing we're gonna do?
Separate my mom's hair
Okay.
so that I can make the 2 twists in the back or in the
Okay.
front.
Okay, go ahead.
First, we're gonna put this side and
Oh,
first we're gonna put.
I got me a hairstyle, y'all. Oh,
And then we're gonna put this one over here. 2 big ones or 2 small ones?
baby, you the hairstylist. You go ahead and do it.
Okay. Now we put it in. Now I'm gonna do 2
Okay,
big
hold on. Let's
ones.
show them. Hold on. Let's show them. Oh my gosh. Okay, y'all. So, thumbs up. We on a good. Okay. Okay.
I'm gonna put this product in.
Okay. So
I'm gonna put a little bit or a lot.
it's up to you, but I prefer a little bit because I don't want to waste my stuff.
I
It's
know that.
expensive.
I know how expensive it was. Maybe it cost like $14.
Yeah.
Like mom's hair. So it can smell very good.
Okay, come on. So just explain, how does it smell? So do
It
it.
smells like what the thing calls again?
What, like cake or something like that?
It smells like cake. It smells very like cake. I mean, for real, and it even looks like cake, but it's not. Well, a reason I know it's not cake, but it smells like cake and it's super smellable and it smells so good.
Okay.
Put this up. It smells so good. I cannot stop smelling.
Okay, so come on. Okay, so, y'all. I'm gonna be cheating a little bit. Just cheating a little bit. Okay, come on. So, okay, you see the way I put in products. So, you know the prairie hand method, correct?
I know already.
Okay, so you gotta.
Because I know what you've been doing all day.
Okay, so, come on, baby.
You just keep doing this
Yes.
right here.
Mm-hmm.
So if you use a comb or something, it's gonna like make your hair like fall out. Sometimes if you do it like at the bottom, it won't do it.
Yeah. So, okay, so basically what she said, I'm pretty sure y'all got the gist of what she's saying, but always start detangling the bottom and then work your way up. So that's what I taught her, and that's what she do. But
Now we're gonna get started. So
hold on, I'm trying to get in the camera so they can see. I gotta move the big
4,
Come on, just get started.
3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Now just get started.
Ooh.
We're gonna tingle.
Ow! Okay, I'm just playing. Okay. Y'all, my son, my baby, he in the bag. He's being loud. Okay.
Mom. Okay.
Hold on, Mimir.
Do it. So, are doing it.
All right,
And
show
this is
them the. Hold on.
No.
No, come on, just no.
Okay, now it's time to do the other one. Like the same. We're gonna put it little. Okay, we're gonna make it like what my grandma did in the old house. You just keep doing it very fast. Okay.
Oh, get it, girl.
I just like doing hair because when I do it, I did these 2 of them.
Okay. What are you doing to make this twist?
I'm overlapping my mom's hair.
Okay.
That's how I did the twist.
Okay, so
It
show
goes
them.
around and around.
Oh Lord. Oh, this legit looks really, really good.
I know how to do stuff. I know.
No, I know.
Because I'm smart.
I know, baby.
I'm gonna take out this one. I'm gonna take it out very slow so that when it doesn't come out,
All right. So,
See-
do you need any more product, or
that's all I don't really need that much.
you don't need that much? But this is what it does. Come on, this
I
is
put it
supposed
all. I put it all over your hair.
You put all in the back of my head, but you didn't put it up here nor there.
Okay, fine.
Girl.
Change. That's not how I do. Okay, now we're gonna put it in front of my mom's hair.
Okay, so you finna. Whoa, girl.
This is how I do it. The make come in. Now it's gonna smell very good. It smells so good to me. Me too. You know how good it smells?
Oh my gosh. You have to hit my head like that, baby.
And this one.
So,
Okay.
all right. So let's take that little part out.
I just only need half of it.
Okay.
Half.
Just pin that up. Oh.
I just do it my way because I put.
Okay. Come on. Okay.
Stop acting like a baby.
Okay. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, y'all, so, yeah. So, I want y'all to name some, like, a favorite product that you've tried that I can possibly purchase and do a review on, okay? So, if y'all have anything in mind, yeah. And, yeah. So, you
Carefully slide it.
see
There.
the talent, honey. Oh. Okay. Ooh, okay.
Your hair is super long.
Why you look like that? You look like, ugh. Okay. All right, let's get sorted. Come on, let's finish.
Next one.
Do that thing. Oh, what is your favorite sweets? Your favorite food? Your favorite snacks? Whatever. Like what do you enjoy
Favorite
eating?
snacks or like peanut butter jelly sandwich and a couple of sweet things or a couple of vegetables. And I like snack time because it's very good.
Okay.
Sometimes snack time you can eat carrots and lots of yummy stuff.
Because I literally wrote out a bag. Okay. I'm just playing. I literally got showered, so yeah, I ain't feeling getting all dolled up this morning. It's been a crazy busy week. All right, so we're halfway through, you guys, and this is what she has did. So, okay.
This one's keep doing it back.
Oh my gosh. Look at this. That look good. That actually look really, really good. Then-
Which one to use?
Okay. Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
Ta-da! This hair looks very good because
Alright.
I put this in her hair, what makes it look so good, and it makes her hair look so nice, and it smells so good. Make sure you
Okay.
give a comment down below.
All right. So she's done with my hair. Okay. Okay.
Make it awesome to do this every day.
Okay. She did. Oh, you did a good job. Okay, because I've never allowed her to do my hair. She always doing like her Barbie hair, her hair, but she did a really good job. And thank you.
For watching.
Huh?
Thank you for watching this video.
And
you gotta check out the other videos too.
Yes, and we love you guys, and we'll see y'all on our next. So that's what we're gonna. Yeah, we're gonna do another video.
Yeah.
Okay. So you'll be seeing more of her, Colombiana, and I love you all, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.